Back at it again with another estate sale here. Be sure to stick around till the end for a special haul.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Nice.
Nice. Look how cute.
Yeah.
Man.
Let stuff off.
I'd rather just throw them away.
It's pretty good for you. Oh, look. It's a off-brand. It's its own thing.
So yeah.
Wow. I mean, the other one's for a lot.
$10.
It's 5. Well, 10, yeah. It's 20. I don't know. But look, it has this one too.
I mean, that might not be a bad pickup.
I just don't, there's no way for me to look up anything, so grab it if we want it.
Should get that Billy Bass because you can annoy the hell out of somebody getting that.
That's the plan.
So that's a different.
Yeah, this is the Christmas one.
My dad said he found members only stuff. Maybe we go to him. Should I put aside the Keurig?
Whatever you think. I mean, that might be, that was a big one, so that might be good. Oh, cool.
With the box. It's $2.50.
Yeah.
Crazy.
That's a for sure.
I need to put stuff on the holding table. There's a combo here I want you to look at. And then look, my dad found these.
Nice. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, those are good.
Emerson.
Put this in here.
Yeah, Emerson will be good. 25 and then half off.
Yeah, it's a good price.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. I didn't think the other stuff was good, so. Yeah, I don't know where he is.
I'm gonna put this right here, man.
Okay, that's great.
Thank you very much.
Is it? Look at all this.
The smoker out
And-
for $25 since it's half
Have a
off.
smoker right here for free.
Dirt Devil.
No.
Not
I mean, oh, free. Here, let me
We can just go back.
move it over here. What's up, babe?
You can have one.
That's cool.
We got voted as the best of the 352 area.
Oh, cool.
That one.
In 2 categories. So then they made these for us.
It's nice.
Did you end up getting
25.
the shirts and stuff on the
I
top?
did. They're really good picks. Yeah. I didn't really go through anything else because I was like, those are probably the best
I looked through
ones.
the whole product.
Yeah.
There was a lot of nice suits.
I saw a
these
lot of
two
golf shirts too, but like those are probably
Okay.
the best. And we like to be selective with clothes because we have so much.
Divided by 2
This
is 45.
All right, you got
the
it.
other one.
I know the bass one.
Yeah.
You take
This
a
is
card?
cool too. Look, remember this?
Okay.
And you got the stand.
Let me put the pods underneath there.
Here we are at our second estate sale. We only got one item to flip, this vintage mushroom fairy cookie jar. But we did get a Ninja blender for our at-home cooking for only $25. What a deal!
And the Tupperware thing's cool too. Even if we get rid of the box.
We'd have to open it up
Clean
and
it and something.
yeah.
This is also cool. It's like one of those salad things. But it's a box already.
Crazy.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it.
Oh, these look like army duffel bags.
I'm gonna just use those. Put our stuff in.
I mean, sure. You want one?
I think it's a good idea. These are worth money. Look, it's official.
Yeah. Ooh,
Ooh,
that we got a whiff of that.
smells bad.
Oof.
That's
Oof.
definitely an army duffel bag.
It's one thing at a time. Oh my god. Looks vintage,
Yeah, I
to say the
wonder.
least. It's the same one I found last time that I was looking for the boot,
Oh,
and I couldn't find the other boot.
eh.
Yeah. But who knows, maybe that's the other boot.
That's for this one.
Oh, it's all set there together.
Vibram. Another Vibram. Yeah, I know. Hold on.
Easy.
That is the same one.
As this one.
And this other one.
Thanks for watching. We found a lot of unique items, which is why we always love a good estate sale. And you can never beat the prices.